Can I break it down? It'll probably take me like 45 minutes to really break it down in detail. The attention span not that long. You think like 30 minutes? Like the average is like 20 minutes. I got 60 seconds? All right, listen. I know you're probably wondering how to get consistent sales online, right? You're probably thinking like, how do some businesses make millions of dollars selling products and other businesses struggle selling the exact same thing? Maybe you're struggling selling your products. You got traffic to your website, but you just can't figure out how to convert. This is probably the reason why you're not converting. It's because you're not doing event-based marketing and you don't have a sales funnel. Now, when you hear the word sales funnel, I know you're probably thinking like, okay, what do you mean, like ClickFunnels? No, ClickFunnels is just the software, right? What really matters is what you do with it. So I actually want to break down how to have a sales funnel in your e-commerce business, your coaching business, or your service-based business, right? With this sales funnel, I was able to get my business in front of my dream customers. That's how I was able to work with industry household names like influencers like Recession Proof, right, with Him 500. Able to work with New Age CEO. I was able to work with Wall Street Trapper, right? I was able to get my brand, my logo on one of the top business podcasts in the world, Earn Your Leisure. I was able to work with some of the top notable beauty brands. You think about Diamond Dynasty Virgin Hair. You think about Diamond Virgin Hair. You think about Her Hair Company, right? And a bunch of other beauty brands. You think about apparel brands like Soul Boy Apparel. You think about Lost Effects, Breadwinner. A bunch of these household brands were making 6 and 7 figures a month. I was able to work with these guys by building a sales funnel. I realized my customers had a problem, so I provided a solution, right? But the first thing I had to do was make them aware of my business. How did I make them aware in an overly saturated market? Because I'm not the only person that builds websites. I'm not the only person that does marketing. But I figured out a formula on how to tap in with customers, my dream customers at that, right? So how do you build a sales funnel? So listen, what I did was I created a quick 5-minute training, right? Quick, to break it down on how to do this exact same process, right? So I want you guys to tap in, get wrapped in, watch the training on how you can create a sales funnel for your business to start selling higher ticket items like digital products, like courses, like actual services that you can provide more value to your clients, right? So make sure you tap in, watch the video. I got a full training breaking down the whole game, right? And I'm looking forward to working with you and partnering up with you. And then you can either watch the course and learn how to do it yourself, or you can just hire my company and we'll do it for you. So either way it goes, take a look at the training. I guarantee you'll learn something in this training, right? Let's go.